Welcome to my channel. Canon PIXMA TS6420a printer offline paper jam fix. Step 1. Check printer power. Make sure your Canon PIXMA TS6420a printer is turned on properly. Restart the printer once to refresh the connection. Step 2. Connect to correct Wi-Fi. Ensure the printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A weak connection can make the printer go offline. Step 3. Set printer as default. Open devices and printers on your computer. Right-click the Canon printer and select Set as default printer. Step 4. Disable offline mode. Open the printer queue and click on Printer. Remove the checkmark from Use printer offline. Step 5. Restart print spooler. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and restart the print spooler service to fix printing issues. Step 6. Remove jammed paper. Open the printer cover carefully and remove stuck paper slowly using both hands to avoid damage. Step 7. Load paper correctly. Adjust the paper properly inside the tray. Incorrect paper placement often causes paper jams. Step 8. Clean paper rollers. Use a soft dry cloth to clean the printer rollers. Dust on rollers can stop paper from feeding correctly. Step 9. Update printer driver. Install the latest Canon PIXMA TS6420a driver updates to improve printer performance and connection stability. Step 10. Print a test page. Restart the printer and print a test page to confirm the offline and paper jam problems are solved. Thank you for watching.